Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful?
What the hell? Okay. Hi guys. What? Say hi guys. What the hell? Vacation nails. Sangham's vacation nails. Hello. Love that. कल खाओगे क्या? 8.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to
On. Let's go.
second poetry.
It's so hot, but it's so beautiful. The water is so blue. Everything looks so pretty. This is the view. Day 1, we're ready, refreshed, recharged, well rested. Now we're going to the beach, which is our private beach that like our hotel, our resort has. बहुत ही सुंदर रास्ता है. Let me show you.
Dance now. Everyone.
We are going for breakfast. This is day 2. Outfits are really cute, by the way, even though you can't see them because it's so hot and we're fully covered so we don't get tanned. We are going to a very pretty beach right now. Miss Vlogger.
Shut up.
Vlogging for. Let's go. We're both vlogging.
For my future kids.
I'm carrying my tripod so I can shoot content. See, I'm so hardworking. I shoot all this content for you guys, and you give me what, 200 views? That's not fair. Hi. Where are we going? Update my channel.
We're gonna take some really nice beach pictures, bikini.
And then what are we going to do?
Then we are going for lunch to some place.
This was a
near
test for
end.
Shreya because she
Wait,
did not
I
know
know,
what
I
happened.
know.
What is your contribution to the trip, Shreya?
I sat and like
She made DJ Yatra for all of us. That is her contribution.
For her.
Yeah, for me. And what else did you do?
I
She brought cash.
didn't.
She got cash. She got
I went
cash.
to the ATM and
Yeah.
I got cash.
Yeah. She got money.
We left Tara for 5 minutes and she's already fought with some couple. I got myself this little collectible and they let me take it. So they're letting me take this because it's very small.
Yeah.
This is not smuggling.
Otherwise, it's not legal.
Going in my
Memory box.
It's illegal if you carry a lot of it or like a big one.
See, my YouTube is so informative. Guys, this is day 2 in Andaman and I cannot believe that this is Andaman. All of this is so beautiful. I'm so grateful. And I can't wait to show you everything that I'm experiencing. This place is stunning. This beach is stunning. The sun is stunning. I love my life.
This was my first ever dip
Yes,
in the ocean. It was really nice, but I was a bit scared.
The lighting is insane. Oh my god. We're having food by the beach. And that is the view. Guys, we are going in the water. Oh shit. 3 and today we're going for scuba. Let's go. We are here at the center and now they're going to give us a form to fill before our dive, which basically says that they're not responsible if we die, which is a little scary, but I think it's okay because everybody does it. So waiting for the form.
We're super excited and I think we can do it. Let's go. We have a lot of fun.
Just got done with our dive and it was crazy. Like it was such a crazy and new experience. Like we literally went to the bottom of the ocean. We saw all these corals, beautiful corals, and all this marine life. I saw Nemo and I am super tanned. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know if you can see the tan line, but it is right here. I'm gone. I'm tan. About your experience?
It was crazy. It was literally insane. Like I was panicking before.
Yeah, because she does not know to swim, but
I don't know how to
there's no
swim,
need
but
to swim.
the only time I panicked was when they were like throwing me into the
They
ocean
didn't
with
throw it.
those
It's called a
oxygen
back
cylinder.
something,
Yeah, backflip.
where you
Yeah,
go in the water like
that was fine.
jellyfish.
Life-changing.
I touched
a
a jellyfish. Yeah, it was
very fun,
insane,
very fun.
and we're super tanned. Like
Look
you
at
can
this.
literally see our tan lines.
Tan line.
Back at our villa. I look so bad. I look so dead. This is where we're staying. This is our little cottage, and this is how the resort looks overall with long palm trees. Okay, I am giving you guys a resort tour right now.
Roller coasters I don't mind, but baby, you're a getaway car. Taking me too far. I never know where we're going, but I know it's gonna leave a scar. I know they say love's the ride, but I've been holding on for dear life. Don't wanna run away, but I'm getting closer every day. Don't wanna run away, but something has to change. I just need to catch my breath. Trying to keep up, but there's nothing left. You're a high-speed chase on the stop sign. We've gotta compromise. Love the thrill, the rush, but now I'm bracing for a crush. I always let you take the wheel, but now I'm choking on the dust. I know they say love's the ride.
We are going to Lakshmanpur Beach 2, I think, to see the natural bridge. And we did not get any time to change or do our makeups or get ready because the low tides are till like 1:30 and it's currently 1, so we only have half an hour to reach and take pictures or do whatever. But yeah, we'll reach on time and hopefully we can see the bridge because that is the entire point of coming to this beach. That's the main highlight. So it's a very small island. It's like only 7 kilometers. Like the entire island is only 7 kilometers. And they have really pretty beaches and really good beach tracks. So we're going to Lakshmanpur Beach 2 first for the natural bridge. Then we're going to Lakshmanpur Beach 1 for the sunset. And then we're going to have a sunset dinner or lunch at one of the beach tracks. And yeah, that's pretty much the plan for the day. Shreya spotted some jackfruits.
I want jackfruit. I want to eat them.
I would like it.
He's not picking
The
up.
auto
Driver
wala is
was
not picking up. We're
And he
probably...
told us to not get ready and जैसे हैं वैसे ही आ जाना.
हाँ 2 minute में आ गया मैं ही.
हम आ गए, now he's not here. Men.
Been annoyed by men the entire day today.
Fresh.
It smells fresh and got a mango.
Sorry saying sorry. Sorry for all
Sorry
the
for
trouble.
trouble.
Gauri.
That's our ride. Vlog में भी hi बोलो.
ये algae को फीड करते हैं लेकिन कोरल से डायरेक्ट फीड नहीं करते.
Okay, of daytime we did the entire marine tour and now we're heading back. It's almost 2:30 and we came at a great time because the tides are really high now. Like there will be tides till here where I'm standing by 4 p.m. I think. But we came at a great time because we saw all these marine life, fishes, so much, and we saw the bridges and everything. And now we're going back to our resort to change. And yeah, after that we will head to the Sunset Beach. And it's been fun so far. Time. Select
सारे ठीक.
the most important decision of a trip.
I'll take this.
Yeah, nice. Oh, that's cute. Where are we going?
We are going to
The beach.
beach.
We are going to a
Catch
beach.
sunset.
Yes, to catch a sunset and click sunset pictures. It is, what is the time right now?
It's 4:19.
4:19. The sunset time
5
is
minutes
like, the sunset time is like 5. So we literally do not have much time to take pictures, videos, all of that, and not miss the sunset. And we also are really hungry because we haven't had lunch, so we need to eat something. But yeah, we're all dressed up, wearing
So
white.
excited. All
Let's
of
go.
us are wearing white.
Guys, the sunset is insane. Like, look at the sky. It's in like 10 different colors, and it's unreal. I can't believe I'm seeing this happen in front of my eyes. The sky is literally like a painting right now. This is what happens when you do too much stuff in a day. We're having dinner at this fancy restaurant in literal night suit, in literal pajamas, no makeup, wet hair, and this place is fancy app. It's actually one of the most fancy places we've eaten at on this trip, and we're looking the worst.
Some fish curry, prawn flesh.
It run to the beach. बड़ा ही shady area है. पेड़ से क्या गिरा? Good morning, guys. Today we're going for snorkeling. I've just woken up. We're here for breakfast and then we have to get ready. And our cab will be here in like 15 minutes to pick us up. And then we're going to Bharatpur Beach and we're doing snorkeling there today at Neel. And I've already done it once in Bali, so I'm pretty excited for it because that experience was insane. And I hope it's as nice as Bali, but let's see. How are we feeling, Shreya?
I'm feeling very tired but super excited.
Today is snorkeling day.
Eat.
We're eating, we're hogging. My audience is used to seeing me without makeup. I hope they are. Guys, I finally got poha for breakfast. We are on our way to snorkel. Wearing our bikinis and swim sets. Okay, so we've reached the center and right now we're waiting for our instructor to come and then we're going to get on a boat, go in the middle of the ocean and snorkel.
It's like Look at my mosquito.
You look like an island girly though, with the braids and the set and the tan. It's pretty nice. The vibes are really hippie. Let's go. Done with our snorkeling, but we are like 20 shades darker now, guys. It was okay. I think compared to Bali, it was a little underwhelming because there was less visibility. I think it's good for diving.
We are about to try the fish thali, which I was so excited about.
Shreya
And I
is going to
wanted,
try
and I
it.
wanted to. You don't want to try?
I would try.
So we got
show you how it is.
one fried fish, papad, rice, some aloo ki sabzi. Then this, I'm gonna ask them what
Fish
fish this
curry.
is. Then there's dal, roti.
fried fish. Very blessed out. Shreya was very excited to have this fish thali during our entire trip.
Yeah.
So this is for Shreya.
And I want us to have like the big lobster or like a big crab, so we can actually hold it and eat it like an animal.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Oh, butter garlic prawns are here.
Butter garlic.
Me with my butter garlic prawn. It is only 12 right now and we've already done so much. We've done snorkeling, we've had our lunch, and now we're going back to our resort to change and head for the next beach. And our ride is here. Okay, so we are back at the resort and let me give you guys a tour because I never did that. That is our reception area from where we've entered. The reception, and then this is the way to our room. But I'm a little lost. That is the restaurant. Now it's giving temple run. These are these cottages and rooms. That is our balcony. This is the way to our room. It's super sunny and we're out. We're all dressed up. This is my outfit, and now we're going to the beach to watch the sunset. Let's go. Going to the beach at midnight to watch the sunrise. We are here, it's around 5 a.m. Hello. I'm so glad we're on time because we didn't witness this sunrise. It's the first beach sunrise of my life.
We've covered everything now. Sunset,
Sunrise, everything is done. It's literally 5 a.m. and the view is so pretty. Out to be a bit of a challenge. कहाँ से जाए इंसान? कहाँ से जाए कोई? कहाँ बैठी है? पेड़ में बैठी है ये. Guys, हम kind of फंस चुके हैं because the tides are really high and we cannot go further. So we're kind of waiting it out here and we're waiting for the tides to get a little bit normal so that we can go and find the cave. क्या है ये? क्या कर रही है? ओ हाँ, थोड़ा slippery है. हाँ, कुछ तो सही लग रहा है. अच्छी सीढ़ी बनी है काफी. Guys, this hunt for the cave is getting unhinged now. adventure maxing. If I die, this video is proof. How did I die? Cause of death. What are these side quests? Because okay guys, so we're back at the resort और बहुत ही बड़ा fail था ये because हम cave तक नहीं जा पाए because the tides were insane and we were advised not to go when the tides are high because it's not really accessible. So yeah, we could not do that. So that was a fail even though we tried really hard and I was pretty comfortable doing it, but my friends were not, so we chose to skip it. But yeah, piece of advice, if you're coming to Andaman, if you're coming to Neil and if you want to go to that hidden secret cave at Sitapur beach, go during low tides, which is after 12 p.m. usually. And if you're going early morning, then you're just going to see the sunrise and you're not going to be experiencing the cave. So you can either do one of those, like either do the sunrise or do the hidden cave, like choose for yourself. But yeah, the sunrise was pretty amazing, like it was beautiful. And now we're back at the resort. We have some time to rest and have breakfast, and then we're going to catch our ferry to Port Blair, and then we're going to have a last chill day. I can't believe this trip is coming to an end. Like, I'm not ready to go back to Delhi. Could you be loved? Life is lifing right now. I don't want to go back to Delhi. My Jhula man, Jhula boy.
झूला बॉय बुला लिया
नहीं, बहुत मजा आ रही है. ए वी
तो थोड़ी पागल लग रही है
पागल बोल रही है मुझे ये लड़की.
है तो बोलूंगी
ये लड़की पागल बोल रही है मुझे गाइस. कैंसिल कर दो इसको सब.
श्योर, मुझे YouTube सेक्शन में कैंसिल होने वाली हूँ.
200 लोग करेंगे. 200 लोग कैंसिल करेंगे. 200 लोगों की ऑडियंस. वाह यार.
Anyways, we're heading for breakfast and I'm excited to have
Would you be loved? The song is stuck in my head for the entire trip, and it won't get out of my head till I make a reel on it. That's how my brain works. But we're going for breakfast now after chilling at the beach. That is the update.
We have 3 princesses.
Last beach visit in Andaman. This resort is so beautiful. I'm going to post a reel on it. I was busy shooting the entire day, so I did not vlog anything, but you will see everything. The resort that hosted us has made this beautiful setup for us. I am so grateful for this life. I'm so grateful that my job gets me all of this. It's so pretty. It's literally a cutesy date setup on the beach.
With your partner?
Trying to explain what Switzerland is.
नहीं है. Oracle, क्या हम एक ideal match? Oracle cancels them or they get a green light. So if they get the green light, they get to sit on a throne and they have extra powers. What the?
They can eliminate people.
Yeah, they can eliminate people. They can save people, their friends and all. She's traumatized.
The look on her face.
college పక్కన.
हाँ ఎప్పుడే
వీరు గురించి కాలేజ్
కొనాక్ సపోన్
మొదట ఆరు చప్ బరాకు మనే పడే जैसे पापा जान
कौन है
Last day, the vibes are vibing. I'm a little tipsy and we are going to the pool. Life is amazing. On our way to the airport, the vacation has finally come to an end. Not feeling great about it. Last walk to the cab. Last walk here in the resort. Last day of wearing these clothes, looking this great. getting a tan, a lot of lasts. Until next time. At the airport, homeless Sarah. मैं अभी चश्मे निकालूंगी पहनूंगी वो तो फिर भी चश्मे चश्मे Yes, मैंने भी अभी पहना है पूरी ट्रिप पे जाके मैंने अब चश्मे पहने हैं पहनूंगी क्योंकि रात हो जाएगी फिर दिखना बंद हो जाता है रात में yeah so how do you feel we're very tired by the way if you can't tell post trip sadness post trip depression हो रहा है yeah we're craving ice cream basically I'm craving tiramisu I want something cold like we were trying to find coconut ice cream but वो हमें मिली नहीं but we found a coffee shop which is over there. They have ice cream? We got ice cream. Let's go. Ice cream time. Ice cream time.